Hello, and this is Chapter 6, Lecture Overview. Chapter 6 is Products, Goods, and Services. At the end of this chapter, you should know what a product is, how are goods different from services, and why do these differences matter to the marketer, and what are the core elements of the firm's market offering, and how does the product definition help us identify competition? So let's talk about this. Okay, so a product is a good and or service. Okay? You can have something that's a product that's a pure service and something that's a good plus service. It's extremely difficult to find something that is only a good that doesn't have some type of service attached to it. Even Amazon or all the online shopping, you may say that there's no service attached because there's no store. However, if you don't get your package on time, or if you don't get your package at all, that's part of the service, is getting you the package and getting it to you on time. So even with that saying, there's still a service attached to each of the good that you're purchasing. A pure service, again, I believe I used it previously, would be just the old-fashioned haircut, where you go into the barber shop, sit on the chair, and they cut your hair and you leave. So let's go into a little bit more. A good or goods are tangible, and then you can touch them, see them. Chattel, which means you can exchange them for something of value. And the items are produced, manufactured, harvested. Okay? There's something physical about the product, about the actual item, I should say, excuse me. There's something actually physical about the item itself, which would make it a good. Types of goods are durable goods. Durable goods last at least 3 or more years. This would be your washer and dryer and refrigerator and dishwasher, automobile. Non-durable goods last less than 3 years. So these are things that you don't expect you'll be using for very long. Kids' sneakers, I doubt very much that they'll last 3 months, let alone 3 years. Okay, versus a very good pair of adult shoes may last much longer, although they probably are still not in the durable goods category. Even toasters are considered durable goods because toasters usually last a very long time. Okay. Over on the service side, intangible. You can't see it or touch it. Okay. It's action oriented. Again, like getting a haircut. It's action oriented. Someone actually does something to provide it for you. And they do it in the form of work performed. If someone mows your yard, if someone rakes your leaves, those are services performed. It's inseparable from the person. You can't order a haircut online. You can make an appointment online, but you can't actually get your haircut online. The person actually has to be there to perform the service. If you want a manicure, or pedicure, or massage, the person has to be there to actually do those things. Okay? Variability. Why do you go to the person you go to for your haircut? Because one hairstylist is different from all the other hairstylists. And so you would pick the one that you like, that fits your needs and your personality, and you enjoy that person cutting your hair. And you like the way your hair looks after they're finished. It's perishability. When the day ends, any hotel room that is not booked is money lost. You can never again get that day back. When the airplane closes the door, when the hatch closes, any empty seat on the airplane is perishable. You can't get it back. For a hairstylist, any hour that they don't have an appointment during the times when they work, that's lost revenue. You can never get it back. There could never be another 3 o'clock on Sunday, December, what is today? December 22nd. There can never be another December 22nd at 3 o'clock. So if you are working today and you're a hairstylist and you don't have an appointment, that's perishable. You just lost the income from that hour. And user participation, you actually participate in it. You're in the seat on the airplane. You're in the seat of the taxi cab or the Uber. And so you actually participate in it. It's not like a item that would be a good where you have no participation in the manufacturing of it. And those are the differences between goods and services, and both then make up a product. And this would be an overview of Chapter 6.